Hello and welcome to another video from NoOp Army. This is our new package of more than 430 pickups and power-ups. We have lots of items that you can see here as I'm scrolling. Lots of hearts and stars and treasure boxes, backpacks, oxygen capsules, different foods and fruits, magazines, guns, ammos, balloons, shoes, many different stars, the angle of the preview for the stars in that with batteries, zodiac signs, barrels. We have everything that you might need. Let's take a look at the scene as well, and then we'll be good. So this is the demo scene with these items. And that's it.